Hello YouTube, how's it going? Ernest here, also known as Century Hornet, and I thought I'd narrate this video because of the fact that this is a rare. I was on live ATC about 10 minutes ago on my phone and I heard in Delta 175 Heavy call in, and apparently he's diverting. This is Delta Air Lines Boeing 767-300 extended range with winglets. Delta 175 Heavy from Amsterdam to Atlanta, and I see him calling at 8,000 feet, and it is clearly a diversion or possibly a stopover, but it has to be a diversion. This is the first time I've seen a Delta aircraft other than an Airbus A319, and this is absolutely nice. Holy smokes, she's a beauty. Oh man, getting some shots too. So she has just exited off of Hotel 3 and is coming in on Hotel. Don't know where she's going to stop over. It's funny, we had another diversion earlier. We had a British Airways Speedbird 183FE. It was a Boeing 747-400 from London to New York, Newark. And what happened is they were having severe thunderstorms in the area, so it diverted here to Toronto Pearson. Pretty sure it's gone, but for now I'm just gonna stay quiet. Let's listen to these engines. Here comes the turn. Do I have time? Yep, I do. And there goes this Delta 767-300 extended range. Delta Air Lines Boeing 767-300 extended range with winglets. There we go. Alright, thanks YouTube for watching. I'll leave a link and I'll leave some more description as to what the cause of the diversion was. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys after. Cheers.